Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back at Coding Me. And if you are new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, because here at Coding Me I create video tutorials on programming. So if you love programming and want to learn programming, you are at the right place. So be sure to click the sub button. And in today's video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you or show you how to use a list box in Visual Basic, and at the same time I'm gonna show you how to select items in the list box in Visual Basic, and I'm gonna show you two ways in which you can use to select those items in Visual Basic. So let's get started. We need to grab 3 items from the toolbox. Which one is a list box? And then we're going to grab a button, make it bigger, and then rename it to add. Yes, and then we're going to get a text box, and so drag it onto your form, and then also make it bigger by going to font, make it bold and 14. It's okay. Then now we're going to edit or write our code. Yeah, now we're going to write our code here. Okay, yeah, we're going to say list, we are going to say list box, list box, click tab list box 1. Our list box is list box 1 dot add, sorry, not dot add, dot items. You can click tab, then dot add. Already Visual Basic does such a something for us. So on add, we're going to click tab, then open parentheses, so close them. Then inside, remember those items, you need to add them, to write those or add those items in the text box. So we're going to say text box, which happens to be text box 1 dot text. So click tab. So let's run our code and see if it's working. Oh yes, let's add a boy. Yes, it's working. Girl. Yes, it's working. Guy. It's also working. Now we are going to stop our program. So remember, I said I'm going to show you how to select items in your list box. So for you to do that, you can just click your list box and go to properties and click events. As you can see, there are many events that you can perform. You can select, you can do whatever you want. So now for us to perform whatever we want to do, we are going to double click our text box, listbox, and then we are going to say message box dot show open parenthesis list box 1 dot select item. On select item, just click tab, then dot to string, just click tab, then open parenthesis, and so close the first one you opened. Then let's run our code and see. So our program is running now. Let's test if it's working. Let's say first hi car. Now let's select first. Okay, it's working. The first item we say is first. The second item we're going to say is hi. Yes, our program is working. Car, our program is working. So as you can see, when you select the item, the message box shows the name of the item you selected, which is the first way to show selected items. As I've mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you two ways. First is the selected item method, whereby when you select the item, you get to see the name of the item in the text box, in the message box. So we're gonna click OK and stop the program. Then the second method that I'm gonna show you is the selected index. Let's click tab on the selected index. So you can just highlight this line and then type selected index on it. So let's run again and see. So let's have car, we add dog, push, let's select dog 1, okay, push 2, car 0. Okay, selected. When you use selected item, what you get from the message box is the name of the item that you selected. But when you use selected index, instead of getting the name of the item, you will get a number which tells you the number of the item that you selected. So the selected index starts counting at 0. So from the first item, instead of being 1, becomes 0, and the second item becomes 1, and the third item becomes number 2, on and on and on. So the selected index numbers the items and outputs the number of the item that you selected. So thank you very much, and please, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe.